Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about GA4 lead generation tracking. So let's get started. In this video, I will guide you how to set up WP form tracking and send the data to GA4. You know about what is WP form? WP form is a plugin and it is a WordPress form builder. So let me start. This is my Google Tag Manager container, and I will use this container to set up the tracking. And let me also show you my website. You know about it also maybe. So this is demo.zubayerislam.com. On this website I have a WP form on the contact page. So let me go to the contact page. Okay, so this is WP form. I can show you that this is WP form. So we can check the from class and from ID to prove the WP form. So let me inspect. Okay, I see the from ID is WP from. It means that this is a WP from. So let me try to track the from. Okay, this is container, and let me copy the website URL, the homepage URL, and paste here. Let me preview. Maybe I have the URL here, so no need to copy and paste, but let me check. Oh, I have to paste here, then connect. Okay, it is connecting. Yes, it means that the GTM is working. Now I have to use a data layer code to track the from submission and send the event to GTM. Then I will use the event, the custom event on GTM to send the data to GA4. Okay, so let me start. I have a listener code that I will use to track the from. I have a code here, so let me copy it and paste it. Okay, on GTM we have to go to tag, then use a custom HTML tag. Yeah, this one, just paste it. No need to change anything here because this is very sensitive. So let me type the name. This is WP from. Okay, then fire it on all the pages, then save. Now we have to preview again. Okay, it is connected. I see the data here. I see also the data here. Is called everything is coming. Now I will go to contact us page, then test the from. So let me type my name, Zubayer Islam, then test, subject is test, and email is zubayer@gmail.com, then test. Now when I click the send message, and when the from submitted, a custom event should fire on the GTM. Then we will use the custom event on GTM to send the data to GA4. So let me do send. Okay, when I send it, I should get a event. Okay, so this is the event that I get from the from, and I can check the data layer. Yeah, data layer is firing, and I see everything is coming. Yeah, okay, so now I can use this event, this custom event, and send the data to GA4. Okay, so this is the custom event that I want to copy. Okay, and I want to create a trigger. Okay, yeah, this is WP from submission. Nice. Then it will be a custom event definitely. So let me copy paste here, save. Okay, now this trigger will capture the custom event, and I will send the custom event data to GA4. And when I set up the GA4 tag, I will use this trigger. Okay, so let me do it. Let me go to the tag, then new tag. I already have the GA4 ID as a variable here, so I can use it. So this is GA4 lead generation. Okay, just GA4 lead I can use. Now I can set up the measurement ID, Then the event name I will do it later, but let me set up the trigger. So w from submission, this is the custom event. Yes, this is the custom event. Now we have to use a event name, and actually this is a standard event, so this is not a custom event, this is a standard event. So I will definitely follow the GA4 rules and the standard event rules. So I will use generate lead. So generate lead. Now I can use event parameter, but I think no need. Then event property, everything is good. Yeah, everything is good. Now just I have to save it. Yeah, now it is time to test. So let preview again. Yeah, it is connecting. Okay, it is connecting. Yeah, okay, now it is connected again. Let me submit the form again. So let me go to the contract space. Yeah, in here I have the form. So again I have to use my name, Zubayer Islam, then test. The email is zubayerppc@gmail.com, then test. Nice, test. Okay, let me send to test the data. Send. Okay, nice. Yeah, I'm getting the event. So data layer is working. Now I see GA4 lead is firing. Great. Okay, and here I can see event name is generate lead, and yeah, all the data is okay. Yeah, okay, it is working. Now I can see it on GA4 debug view. So let me open the GA4 and I will show you. Okay, I have opened my GA4 property, and it is getting the data, the active user, the user, event count, purchase, everything is coming. Now I will go to admin, then debug view, then I will show you the data is coming or not. So let me go to the debug view. Yeah, this is debug view, and I see the data is already coming. See the page view, the user engagement, then generate lead. Just I have sent it. Okay, so it means that everything is coming, everything is working properly. All right, I hope you got all the points, but if you have any question or if you face problem, you can just comment me, or if you really face problem, you can send me message on WhatsApp. I will respond to you as soon as possible.